gonna be a really short video because I'm watching a show. But this is the start of my weight loss. This is my stomach. Okay. This is me now. This is the front. My stomach is so big. The side. This is really it. Okay. I got fat. My stomach's fat. I mean, my back's fat. Okay, maybe I should zoom out a little bit. Okay. I'm trying to lose this. And I'm gonna I'm sorry, I don't have any makeup. But I'm going to try to update you guys every week so you can see the difference and I can see the difference. Maybe. I hope so. Because as of now, I'm going on a diet today. And yeah. This is it.